Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Matt with Green Bar Trading. In this video, I'm going to go over how I traded CELZ. It was and is the leading gapper, the top stock, most volume by far, and it had a clear catalyst. So I'm going to go over my exact trade. Made $120 on it. I'm going to check exactly the print, but I think it was less than a minute trade, which is just great. It's just great. I mean, for such a small, low price stock to make just about 6% or so in a matter of seconds. I mean, some people invest for the year and make 6%. So, these stocks they provide so much. If you know what you're looking for and you have the strategy down, these stocks can really produce a lot of money very quickly. So, with that being said, hit the thumbs up for the video. If you are new, consider subscribing. All right, let's get into it. I see right now, this stock, CELZ, CELZ, is up almost 150%. Momentum has been really, really good. It's been great to start the year, which is fantastic to see. So what did we see with this one? This one hit the scan at 8 o'clock. Now, my scan for the pre-market, I'll go over that because I had some questions on this, is so simple, guys. All it is my price that I put in here and my minimum volume. That's it. And then I come over here and you see this little gear icon. I just click on that and then I add mark percent change. I also add shares because I want to see what the float has on Thinkorswim. And then you just sort from the top. And that's how you get your top gappers. It's that simple, the pre-market scan. The momentum scan during the day, that's more complicated. I have videos on that also. But anyway, top of the gap scanner, loved it. 8 o'clock in the morning, that's when we got our headline. So for me, this headline was enough to hold this stock up, right? To get continuation. When I saw it popping up, a lot of stocks, they'll pop up and then they'll just come crashing right on down. I liked this enough as it's, approval, FDA, cleared, phase 1, 2, clinical trial. These are the types of things that you look for. And then the treatment of type 1 diabetes, which is a massive problem in the country. So I really liked this as far as the catalyst went. And, that catalyst did prove that, yes, it was a good catalyst. The float was also very good at 14 million. That's what I'm showing on Thinkorswim. So with that being said, I got in this very quickly because I saw on the level 2, I just saw a lot of buying taking place. And then that pullback to $1 a share, I saw that hold up really nice. But like I said, this was a super fast trade. All right, I'll make this a little bit bigger so we can see on the 1 minute chart. It had a lot of very clear entries. Now, if you were patient enough and you waited, the pullback here, right around the 9 EMA and VWAP, that was a good setup. On the 5 minute, this one was also a good setup here for that breakout, that first 5 minute candle after that consolidation to make a new high. That provided a tremendous move. Right off VWAP, the first 5 minute candle to make a new high. That is a clear setup on a strong stock with a low float, good catalyst. you got to keep in mind. It has to have all of those things for me to trade them anyway. So my entry and exit, let's see if we can show trades here. Sometimes it doesn't work right away. Let's see, switch that. There we go. That was a little tip that I got, actually. I think under the comments, somebody had wrote, if your trade doesn't show up right away, when you do that, just switch to another chart, another time frame, and then go back to your time frame, and you can see that the trade shows up. So like I said, I was interested in this over $1. I like to trade stocks that are at least over $1. Now, this would have obviously been a great move here. You know, when I got in, it was already up 100%. So I got in on this candle and I got out on this candle. Like we said, like I said, I think this was a super fast trade. So let's see here. You got 23 seconds. So in 23 seconds, we made $120. Fantastic. That is what I want to be doing all the time. When you see that opportunity, get into it. So then, you know, taking it off here was the right move. It pulled on back. This could have been another area to take a long at right here. That first 5-minute candle is shown right there. That start at 8:20. That was a good move. And, you know, now we're kind of just up against that 1.40 level. So that's going to be the next level that needs to break, is this 140 level when we go into the regular open. So that would be something that I would be looking at come open and see if you could get, you know, a gap and go type of thing. But it is up already 150%. So just keep that in mind. So that's basically it. Just wanted to come on really quick and, you know, show you guys. So, you know, one thing that we do, what I do every day, is I alert in our Discord exactly what stocks I'm getting into and what I'm looking at, because I want people to be aware, if, you know, they're not on their computers at the time, hey, we have a stock here and it's moving up a lot. So, you know, we hit that call outs only channel on our Discord. If you are interested, the link will be in the description for you guys. So that's it for me, guys. I'll see you back on the next one. Take care.